Serious business, boys and girls. Serious business. So this award is given by Mrs. Cavada. So for kinder, the Library Book Award goes to Mrs. Vipon's class. First grade, Mrs. Gonzalez's class. Second grade, Mrs. Velasquez's class. Boys and girls, and that's a very important award, so good job. Now, our box top heroes. Our box top heroes. Now, everyone had to collect box tops, and that's by PTA. That's our Parent Teacher Association. And so the class that had the most box tops in kinder was Mrs. Ramirez's class. I was wondering why all those cereal boxes were in your classroom. First grade, Kingsbury. We have strong coffee here. She's always as energetic. Can't believe you just bounced like a beer. You made my day. Second grade goes to Mrs. Webb's class. Hey, boys and